Hey guys, I'm Meteorologist Chris Tomer. Let's talk some mountain weather, and our really active April pattern continues. Here are my headlines. The powder just keeps on coming with these waves of energy riding this powerful jet stream across the Intermountain West, and the orientation of the jet is really helping the snow to crank out the snow in Colorado. I'll show you Winter Park here in a second. There have been some really nice totals in Colorado. This powerful jet is a player, and it's escorting these storms off the Pacific. We've got a nice storm ahead for California this weekend. I'll show you what I'm thinking with that as well. But first, let's go into Colorado. Here's Winter Park. I mean, another 8 inches of snow overnight at Winter Park. You can see the snow stake. You can see what it looks like up there right now. There's a lot of wind as well blowing through the mountains of Colorado. Temperatures that are, I mean, look at the wind. Look at that right there in the tubing live cam. There's some serious wind, 30, 40, 50, 60 mile an hour gusts up there over Colorado's high passes and ridge lines. The temperatures are about zero. That's making some really good quality snow, really light ratios up there. Like snow quality, good powder, but it's windy and it's cold. In Colorado, snow mass it's like 17 inches in the last 2 days, 20 inches here at Winter Park in the last 2 days. Let me just show you what the pattern is. Kind of a split jet, the northern branch right here, and then cruising in, and then running down on a west-northwest orientation through the Intermountain West. And there's also a southern branch. It's kind of active, playing into all this as well. Well, what's going to happen is the two of these are going to merge and deliver a storm system into the Sierra this weekend. Really nice totals. You've got a storm here. You've got a big storm up through the Intermountain, through the northern tier states right there, and there's a low sitting right here as well. So you've got some energy coming in that will combine with this low to produce a couple of rounds for the Sierra heading into the weekend. Good wind energy out of this as well. I talk about the wind, the high wind gusts in my blog this morning if you want to check that out at christomer.com. Let me show you what the interpretation is from the GFS. Let me take you into Friday morning. Light snows continue across Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, Utah, and Colorado. Light snows over California. That continues into Friday night and Saturday morning. Kind of a lull in the action right here Saturday morning. This is the 16th of April. Look at the storm hitting California. Heavy snow. Northern California. Tahoe makes its way down to Mammoth throughout the day on Saturday. So that's a really good shot of snow on Saturday. And then that storm takes a more northern track Saturday afternoon into Idaho, Montana, Wyoming. There's Saturday afternoon. There's Sunday morning. It drags a cold front down through Utah and Colorado with some light snow accumulations. And then it's out of here. There's a dry period that settles in. There's Monday, Tuesday, potentially another storm for the Pacific Northwest. That's Tuesday the 19th right there. Let me show you what I'm thinking as far as totals go. All of today through the 17th, potentially another 3 to 10 inches in Colorado, maybe another 12-inch amount as well, because you've got the leftover snow with the orographics today and Friday, and then an actual storm snow Saturday night and Sunday in Colorado. Central to northern mountains could see up to another 10, maybe even 12 inches in a couple of pockets over the high peaks. Not out of the question. About 6 inches for the Wasatch, another 7 to 9 in the Tetons. And let's focus on California. So it looks like 1 to 2 feet on the way with this type of setup. So that's a really good snow for the Sierra. Not as much down at Mammoth, but certainly heavy through Tahoe up to Shasta. So that's phase 1. Here's phase 2, the 18th through the 23rd. Still another 8 to 14 in the Sierra, which is outstanding. With the northern storm track, the biggest totals are going to be in the Pacific Northwest and some of the northern tier states, but it does brush, the Wasatch does brush Colorado through the 23rd with some additional accumulations. So this is a pretty good pattern for April with cold temperatures and wind energy from the jet. Some pretty good pieces of the puzzle coming together for this. Enjoy it. Take advantage of it. Thank you for tuning in here. Take care.